let's be very honest, at this point in time, there is just so many opportunities around us with the internet, with smartphones, and with the ability to communicate with one another. There are opportunities just like e-commerce, drop shipping, freelancing, so on and so forth. So in this small little video, I'm going to tell you how I started my side hustle of teaching online. So number one, the first step we need to do is to pick a side hustle. Over here, I would highly suggest a side hustle that we are passionate about and really love, and at the same time, a side hustle that we have some skill on. So let me give you guys a couple of examples on this. Back in the day, what side hustles I did create was actually selling women's fashion, whereby I did not have a passion and at the same time, I just had no skill. And needless to say, that particular side hustle failed miserably. Eventually, I picked a side hustle which I really love, that is creating games or creating little apps on the App Store. And this side hustle, fortunately for me, I really like. But having said that, I was not good in programming whatsoever. So what I used to do was, I used to watch hours and hours of educational content just to create apps. And it was such a painful process. Needless to say, even that side hustle, I just let go. Eventually, I stumbled upon teaching online. This was where I think I'm pretty okay talking online. At the same time, I think I have a little bit of knowledge on certain subjects. And after I picked that as a particular side hustle, it was easy for me to create content. So this particular side hustle really worked for me. And I started to make a little bit of money. So basically what I'm trying to say is that when you want to start on your side hustle, please pick a side hustle where you have a bit of passion on and you have some skills on. The second thing which I highly suggest is to get a teacher. Normally when we first start at any skill, may it be riding a bike or may it be coding a particular app on Android, we basically start with zero knowledge. And the chances for us making mistakes are very, very high. In fact, whatever mistakes or whatever hole that appeared around me, I actually fell in those holes. So by not having a teacher, it took me a lot of time and it also took me a lot of money, whereby I just made so many mistakes. And the third advice I have for starting a side hustle is to just start. Basically, even this video, I was procrastinating this video for maybe 3 or 4 hours. It was almost half a day already. And I just told myself, you know what? Just start. And the advice I have over here is many cannot start great, but we have to start to be eventually great in what we do. With that, guys, take care and the best of luck.